Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 29, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. First grade. In the column F, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in other two cells. We will confirm later. Second grade. 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Column F, we have 7 and 9. Second row, we have 2 and 8. That 4 numbers can't come this cell. Then only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 5, 9. Column D, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in other 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, we have 2, 3, 4. But 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. First grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. First grade, we have 1 and 6, so 1 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in the 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8, 9. Third grade, we have 2 and 7, so 2 and 7 can't come the 3 cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column I, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. 8th grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column G, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. 8th row we have 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 can't come the cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column J we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 10th row 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh row 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column J we have 6 and 7, so 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column E we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column E we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 6th row we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 6th row we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 5th row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 5th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 6th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column J we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 3rd grade we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column J we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.